Hi guys, welcome back. Thanks for watching all my videos and encouraging me so much. The photo on the right side of the screen is the makeup that I'm going to do right now. As usual, this is one of those looks where there is no liquid foundation or even any concealer. When the look is not heavy, just a moisturizer is just fine. You don't always have to prime your face. Doing makeup on dry skin is a no, so I always make sure I moisturize. We'll do a soft brown smoky look with red lipstick today. I'm going to use my powder foundation, which is the Studio Fix. That is a powder foundation. A lot of people think liquid foundation is the only foundation, but no. These are perfect for daily use and can also be touched up. Although it comes with an applicator, I always prefer using a brush. I'm going to start with a light brown eyeshadow and I'm going to apply it on my upper eyelid. Always tap off the extra product. Use this on your upper eyelid till the crease line. Your crease line is the guide as to that's where you take your eyeshadow up till. And if you have hooded eyes, just go a little higher. As always, I will repeat, you do not have to use the same products as me. You can use any brand of your choice. If I'm using a Natasha Denona brown, you can use another brand. It does not matter. Just follow the techniques and your makeup life will be easy. Now, the next step, take a dark brown eyeshadow and a soft brush and of course, tap it off. Make sure your brush stroke is from outside to inside. It's going to create a nice shade and add a dimension to the eye makeup. In case you want to use the same products as me, I'm captioning them while I use it. I don't share a link because they expire, but all of these products you will get on Nykaa, Tira Beauty, Amazon or Sephora. Just type in exactly what is captioned. Okay, back to the eye makeup. Now take a clean eyeshadow brush and blend everything in so that the look is soft and does not have harsh lines. Now take a pencil brush and go back in with the dark brown and line your lower lash line as much as you want. I don't go all the way in, then the eyes look bright and opened up. A pencil brush is a good thing to have in your makeup kit. It changes your whole eye makeup and it's available in many different brands. Just type pencil brush and you'll see the options. I always like to set my eyebrows with a gel so that it stays in place. Complete your eye makeup with a good mascara. For me, daily makeup needs to look really natural. So if you sometimes have dark circles or some spots, unless it's an extreme situation, I think it's okay to let it be because let's own it. We have it, and we can still look nice. The moment you layer too much, especially when it comes to daily makeup, it does not look natural at all. So it's better to avoid it. I always use a nude lip liner to prime my lips, basically fill it out and line it with it because sometimes we have pigmentation on our lips, so this gives you an even canvas to work on and the lipstick stays longer. Now I'm using a lip liner that will go with my lipstick. I'm using a red lipstick here. You can use any other shade of your choice. You can change the combinations of the makeup I use when it comes to the eyes and lips. Usually I keep the eye makeup light if the lipstick is dark and vice versa. Complete your eye makeup with a blush of your choice. as I've been obsessed with this shade for a while, so I've been using this for quite a few videos. But use a blush on of your choice. I use a cream blush on because I have dry skin. If you have oily skin, go for a powder blush. It's really up to you. Just use it in this angle, that way you don't even need to contour. I'm going to touch up my powder foundation wherever required, and my makeup will be done. Hope you like these easy looks that I share. Do try them. Do subscribe if you're watching on YouTube. Do follow if you're watching on Facebook. And I'll see you soon with some more easy makeup looks. Take care.